Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today you can see I've got a very small Temu haul. I've got these doves. Pull them out. I got like, I think 50 of them. They are so pretty. Look at that. Got plans for them. Okay. I've got these dragonfly. I'll show you. Dragonfly stickers. Some of these are gorgeous. That's just some of them. There's like 50 of them, I think, in there. Quite a few. But they're PET type stickers. Yeah, there's, let's see. I can't remember how many's in there, but there's quite a few. Multicolored. See, I got a whole bunch of them in there. Then I've got, and I've already opened it up because I wanted to see it. This shell. This little bitty shell mold. It's so cute. It's a, forgot the name of it right now. I know the name, but I just can't think of it. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and put metallic, Let's Resin metallic, and dust that in there to make it a silver shell, and fill it with resin and check it out. So I will be right back. Actually, I'll just get my gloves on now and we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. This is some Let's Resin from Metallic Power. It's a silver. Let me use a little bit of it in here. See if I can just dump some on there. And we'll just kind of rub it all in. Oh, this is pretty. I just got a big fluffy brush for it. I'm going to turn it inside out. Maybe make it easier to brush this stuff on. Hands are all dirty. Well, I could probably use that, what I have on here to do it. Yep. I have enough. I don't have to get out anymore. That's what I like about this Let's Resin powder. This, this Let's Resin metallic powder goes far. Okay, luckily I still have my gloves on so I can pop it out. And I should not have gotten any off there. Let me just bring that in there. All right, I'll be back to mix up my resin. And I'll see you in just a minute. All right, I've got my resin mixed up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my black pigment. And I'm going to mix my black into my resin. Let me just get a little mica brush to stir it. Wipe off as much as I can. And that'll be perfect. Close this before I spill it all over the place, because I know me. Yep, and I just dropped it. When I picked it up to close it, luckily the lid was already on it. And this would be good enough to use for that. My mica brush. Stir it in, and I won't need that. Okay, let's get that in there. Let's make sure I'm in. This is my Teexpert resin. I'm going to pinch the butt here. And this is a conch shell. I was trying to remember what it was. It's called the conch. And I think I've mixed up too much, as always. Okay, I'm back. Let's go ahead and get this demolded. I've not used this mold before, as you know. So I'm kind of curious as to see how is it going to work. I just got that silver going. I just got it out of my oh my goodness gracious, curing machine. Well, that looks good. Got that all over my hands for whatever reason. I think it's on the outside of it. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. How pretty and silver that is. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. I want to thank all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all subscribing. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers out there. If you're new here, thank you so much. And I will talk to you next time. See you in the next one. Bye for now.